Okay, so I'm going to share with you one platform that is very, very friendly for beginners who just want to start their business online and who doesn't have a. This is for anyone who just really, really want to start something and they don't have any big offer yet or big audience. But it can also work for those who already have. But this is very, very useful, especially for those who just want to start their journey, their entrepreneurial journey for uh, digital creation or um, building a product online and selling it or offering their services online. This platform is called System.io. System.io is a marketing tool, all-in-one marketing tool that you can build funnels, you can build courses, you can sell product, you can have your email sequences, all this kind of stuff you can do. And the best thing, and why I say that this is beginner friendly, it's because they're free. Free, they call it freemium plan. This is very generous enough that that if you utilize the free version or the free plan, it is made for you to make money first before you decide if you're ready to upgrade. And the upgrade too is not that expensive either. The next, the standard, oh, 1 second. The pricing, let me just look at my notes in here. The startup plan is just $17 a month. Not even that expensive. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through how that system or how System.io works. So you'll see it yourself and why I said that this is by far the best platform I saw or use that is very, very uh, helpful, especially for those who just want to start their business online, like me. So let's go. All right, so now I'm going to show you what the System.io looks like once you create your account. So with this, I hope you'll be able to see if this is something that you really want to do or not. And I'd like to show you more what the System.io can do, even for just using the free plan. So if you click the link that I have on the description, and this is how you find this video. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link, um, meaning that I can get an income, possible income, if you use that to upgrade your System.io account. But also, for now, I just want to show you how you can fully utilize the free version of it so that you can start making or starting your business or offering your service using the platform that it's not going to cost you anything to build first and not going to cost you anything to make will allow you to make money first before you can upgrade to anything like that. So just want to let you know about that. um, and yeah, so once you click that link, this is what it's gonna look like. System.io will you're gonna be directed to this page. Well, System.io will ask you to create your own account for free. All you have to do is to provide your email address, and then once you submit that, you will receive a verification, and you just have to verify or click the link that they will send you in your email that you provide in here, and that's basically it. And then once you are logged in, since I already have the account, I'll show you what it looks like inside. By the way, so yeah, the link that I shared to you, you can find it here. If once you have your own System.io, you can go to affiliate dashboard and you can share. This is your personal link. And this is what you can share to your friends, to your audience, introduce them to System.io, and tell them that that's your affiliate link. So this is what it looks like inside. Uh, if you go, this is the first thing that you're gonna see, your dashboard. Dashboard uh, shows you all the statistics plus the live updates. This I haven't posted or putting all my funnel on a live yet, so you can't see anything. This is a pretty brand new account. So here you're gonna see pretty much self-explanatory, new leads, and live updates will show you the information of the people who opt in to your funnel or to your form, and you'll be able to see as well what or with what page or um, what page or what form did your audience sign in here. So this is something that you want to see and you want to monitor often and see how's your funnel doing, if there's new, how many new leads are coming, and something like that. This is something that very helpful and useful for you um, once your funnel is live. And then you have all these buttons in here, and they have so many options and so many things that you can see in here pretty much. But I'm not going to go through all this. I just want to show you the basic. And and I mentioned earlier in my introduction that the free plan or the freemium is something that is really really beginner friendly, and this is what I mean by that. So the freemium plan allows you to have at least 2,000 contacts, allows you to build 3 funnels, not just one, not two, but 3 funnels. That's more than enough for you to create a sales page with an upgrade or upsell, which they will allow you as well, and also an order bump. Order bump is something that you add at the bottom. Once you are on the cart section, you can add another product so that they can people you want people to buy, or you want to offer extra in addition to what you're. And there's more that you can utilize for the premium plan. There's you're allowed to do one tag, one workflow, one automation rules. You can build or create digital store, create courses, and you are also allowed to um, build your own community, build your own group, which is pretty much for me by far. I've never seen any, or yeah, I've never seen any other platform out there who's very generous enough to give you this opportunity uh, to make money first before you can upgrade to any other offer that they have other than System.io. And plus, their startup is only cost $17. It's actually $27 before, but they decided that they want to lower it more so it is more affordable for those who are just starting up. Again, System.io thinks more of our of those people or um, those entrepreneur who just want to begin their journey in terms of offering their service online, in terms of creating their courses online. Um, they they want to lessen the burden of uh, making you pay so much with the things that you don't understand yet. The freemium allows you to learn. Of course, this is still a technical side. There's still a learning curve, but you will find so many useful videos out there to help you on how to use the other stuff, how to create the best sales funnel, how to create. There's so many tutorials in there, and I might be able to, and then I'm going to create some content as well to help you with other stuff. But for now, the purpose of this video is to just show you what you can do with the free version or the free plan with System.io, because it's not just like, yes, I have the affiliate link, I want to share it to you, but also the reason why it's because this is really perfect if you just really want to start or begin something. And and as someone who in the same shoes like you, I'm also just starting out, and this platform is very very helpful because I am new in funnel design. I just got my certification. So having to pay for something that I'm still learning is really not very ideal. But System.io, um, they provide more. They not just provide you a free funnel, but also they give you more so that you can actually see result first, so that you can actually make money first before you decide to upgrade. And that's the best thing about System.io. Plus, there's a lot of resources that is available to you inside. Again, I'm not going to show you this. The purpose of this video is just to show you what is inside. If you click dashboard, we already see this. Affiliate is where you find the the link that I shared to you. This is where you see, because the the people who click your affiliate link and how much you make if somebody buy or upgraded or buy any courses from System.io using your link. Basically, this is what the this is this affiliate dashboard is for. But aside from this, the student dashboard, this is there's so many good stuff in here. And yeah, well, these are my previous classes, and these are the things that they also have inside. There's so many resources for you to learn from. And these ones is not available for free version, but like just want to show you how much help you can get. Because there's so many creators out there who, aside from the courses that they have inside, there's so many creator out there who actually, shares uh, free stuff and free information and tutorial. But like just want to show you here what is inside. I just got my certification. I highly recommend that you get your certification as well. And this will help you to basically learn. That video was a little cut, but like that's basically what I want to share and show you what is inside the premium plan. And I can show you, I mean, you can actually see it when you visit their website, but like just to give you a little glimpse of what it looks like inside. Um, there might be more tutorials and more helpful tips. Not might, I will create more tutorials and tips about how to create funnels and give you some templates that you can use right away. If I haven't added in here, there might be another video that I have, and but I will let you know. And if you follow me on any of my platform, I will share that in there, like maybe Instagram or Facebook. I will share those information right there. But yeah, basically that's the reason why I choose System.io and why I like it a lot. I am familiar with Go High Level. I am familiar with any other CRM, but for marketing and for marketing stuff and for those who just want to learn and give themselves a little bit of time to learn the how these funnels work and how to create a specific effective funnels and have that available for you to use for free is something that is a game changer, something that you should take advantage of. So that's why I shared System.io as one of the best platforms for beginners. And of course, again, there's a learning curve, but take your time to learn and use the free version as you can. And once you feel good and you feel confident to upgrade, then do so. So, yeah,